Good morning once again and welcome back. In part 3, let us learn about other economic activities of America. Apart from agriculture, the next allied industry of prairies is dairy farming. American grassland is good for the rearing of animals as we discussed earlier. So the ranges or the western part of USA is meant for keeping cattle. American cows are able to give more than 50-60 liters of milk per day. In India, a milkman will milk manually. It will take you 2-3 hours to milk 3-4 cows. But in America, within 5 minutes, one cow is milked. They use milking machines are there. You can see how the milking it is connected to the nipple of udder. And here they are lined up for milking. Early in the morning, they milk. One cow is able to give average of 50 liters of milk of a high quality thing. Another part after being milked, the cow is feeding is a calf. The calf is looking like bigger than Indian cows. See the size of cow. Because American cattle, they feed on one particular species of grass that is called alfalfa grass. If they feed on alfalfa grass, the cow will be fattened. They grow big. If you drink Complan milk, you will also grow. The same way, American cows eat alfalfa grass and they are very healthy. See, cattle shed having the breakfast. See, here. All facilities are there in the dairy farms. Minimum fans. Some are furnished with air conditioned because people are rich. Cows are able to give more amount of milk. That is why Americans are able to take care of their cows. Bulls are meant for what? For meat. But American cows, they give more amount of milk. And milk products are used for domestic consumption and exported to other needy countries. Each and every work in America is done by machines. They don't do anything manually. In India, farmers plow the field using wooden plow and bulls. They are machines, tractors, and harvester or thresher, everything they used to see. Looking like an executive officer, American. Here another one. There is no difference between man and woman. One lady also engaged here. See this one lady. Harvesting season is going on. Each and every work is done by machine. In India, we pluck out unwanted weeds, unwanted plants. For 1 acre of land, minimum 6-7 people are employed to remove weeds. But America, for 100 hectares of land, helicopter will come and spray weedicide, insecticide, pesticide for everything. Tractors, you can see how the medicines are sprayed. This spray there. Here we use hand pumps. They are helicopters. Within a short period, so much work is done. That is why America is very rich. Americans are rich. At the time of cultivation, farmers go to their agricultural region with their families and they live for 3 4 months from cultivation to harvesting is over. They live, take care of their crops. The temporary home where they live on the agricultural farm is called a homestead. See the homestead having all facilities is their house. After harvesting, after the grains are taken, they will go to cities, live in the flat system, having 100, 200 stories buildings. They live in multi-story buildings. Points to remember, houses on the farm are called homestead. It is a kind of just like a house in the agricultural area, but they have big modern furnished houses in the cities. Second point, people are engaged in farming, cattle rearing, converting grasslands into farmlands. So many grasslands are there. They clear it, plow it with the help of tractors. After that, convert the land into agricultural land. Most of the works are done by machines. Okay. Thank you very much.